अब आपको सीधे लिए चलेंगे जहां पर सांसद रत्न अवार्ड दिया जा रहा है इस विशेष कार्यक्रम।
May I invite Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal, Honorable Minister of State Parliamentary Affairs and the Chairman of Sansad Ratna Awards Committee for his Sansad Ratna Awards Jury Committee for his presidential address.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर। मास्क ठीक है या हटाना है? तेजी थोड़ा निकाल लें। चलिए, थैंक यू सर। यू आई थिंक ऑन योर सजेशंस आई रिमूव द मास्क। चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर ऑफ इंडिया श्री सुनील अरोड़ा सर, it is a wonderful meeting today. He had been my collector in Dholpur. It's a very wonderful meeting. Then I think from Dholpur you gone to Nagaur, sir? Then Nagaur, yes. Very long association. Yeah. Now he is a Chief Election Commissioner of India. It's a great privilege for me also to welcome you in this morning. Former Judge, Supreme Court of India, Shri A.K. Patnaik sir, welcome you sir also in this morning. Appa Vandeji or Prime Point Srinivasan, founder and chairman of the Sansad Ratna Award Committee, and all the member of Parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, both, who are getting the Sansad Ratna Award today. I also welcome you also, including Ajay Mishra ji, Kartari Mehtab Sahab, Hina Gawat ji, Ram Mohan ji, Kati Godar ji. Where is your fellow? Why I am telling this? Because today Bhuvnesh ji sir, he is from Rajasthan. Bhuvnesh Devda. He is from Rajasthan, but he is working in his Sansad Ratna team, and I think you are a co-chairman. Big clap for him also. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Bhuvnesh Devda ji. Why I am telling all these things today? Because today is very auspicious day. You may ask me why today day is auspicious. I think the Srinivasan is also not knowing because he is my guru. He is my guru on that way. But today is the International Day of Happiness. Yes or no? Yes sir. Today the International Day of Happiness. And so we all must be happy. And the Prime Point Foundation, we thanks to Srinivasan ji and your team that it is not a simple award. You are appreciating them. That is why the happiness index in their life will definitely improve. I think so. The moment they will get the award, the happiness index in his life or her life definitely will improve. Yes or no, sir? Yes. Okay. And S.S. Ramasubha is my old friend. We got, I think, Sansad Ratna Award in IIT Madras in 2012. Yes.
5 times award. 5 times award.
5 times awards. Yes, yes. Thank you all of them. Member of Rajya Sabha, Nisad ji and all. Sir, why this day is important? Why this function is important? Sunil Arora sir. One day I got a telephone from the Srinivas. I think the year of 2012. Well, we have selected you for the Sansad Ratna Award, and you have to come to IIT Madras. I told why I should come, and on what basis you have done that I am the best debater in the 15th Lok Sabha. They told me that on the PRS document, but we don't know But our mentor is APJ Abdul Kalam. Then I met APJ Abdul Kalam in the building, I think the 10th Rajaji Marg. 10th Rajaji Marg. And I asked the same questions. Why you have started this work of the Sansad Ratna Award? What he told me, I am narrating here in the prestigious gathering. Some of the parliamentarians, some of the relatives of the parliamentarians, some of the functioning of the parliamentarian system. He told me, the APJ Abdul Kalam, look, Mr. Meghwal, we adopted, or our constitutional father, they adopted in India the multi-party system. We adopted Westminster's parliamentary system based on multi-party system. We have not adopted the two-party system. Because of our plurality, we adopted multi-party system. He also quote one slogan in Hindi also. I remember exactly. विविधता में एकता, भारत की विशेषता. ही देव जी, जो एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम साहब ने मुझे कहा, विविधता में एकता, भारत की विशेषता. And that is the point. Once upon a time I was in IIT Madras, and all the people are younger generation people. APJ Abdul Kalam told me, the younger generation people in IIT Madras criticizing all the politicians are bad. Then I put a question to them, who will clean it? They kept mum. Then I thought, some civil society organizations should come forward to clean the system, to appreciate the good person in the parliament. And he told me also that I had been the president of India, so I was the part of this parliament. Under the constitutional provision, Bhartri Mehtab know very well that the president of India is the part, and I think the part of the parliament also. Then he thought, and he called, I think, the Srinivasan. Okay, you start these functions on my direction and guidance. You should award who are the good people in parliament. He told how I could know that they are the good or they are the best. Then he told that you go some PRS exercise, on some exercise debating in parliament, but you watch them and you select them. You form a jury committee also for that, and you invite them in IIT Madras. Either I may come, or you call some judge of the Supreme Court, or you call the Chief Election Commissioner of India. That is why, on the direction of APJ Abdul Kalam Sahab, the Srinivasan and his team, Bhuvnesh Devada and his team, they are working on that. Nothing, they don't have any other hidden agenda. Some people are telling me that they have some hidden agenda. Some MPs are also telling me, Hina Gavit is getting award every year. Why? Some people are telling me also, you are a jury committee member. I am a chairman of the jury committee. N.K. Premchandran is the member. Appa Varne is the member. We select on the basis of the record. We don't favor Hina Gavit. We may favor when we give the committee that we can favor, because she is a good debater also. She is a doctor, she is a young. But we are not, we don't favor. But some people ask, they have some hidden agenda. They don't have any hidden agenda, sir. I am associated with Prime Minister Srinivasan, I think since 2012. Since then, I know him personally. I know him and his team also. They are totally belongs to a civil society. As per the direction and guidance of the APJ Abdul Kalam, they are working. They are working to appreciate a good parliamentarian. Nothing else. Nothing else. They don't have any hidden agenda. Why they are doing it? The APJ Abdul Kalam told me in detail also. We adopted multi-party system. We have 4 organs of our democracy. One is legislation, second is executive, third is judiciary, 3 are written in constitution, but 4th is press, media, that is not written in the constitution, but they have put a place in 4th pillar. So we have a 4th pillar. Now everybody is telling, Anna Hazare people are also telling that all the politicians are the bad. I don't believe it. Some are the good persons. Then who will honor them? That is why today's function is going to organize. We are honoring you, the Prime Point Foundations, the team, they are honoring you. It's a very token appreciation, but it is good appreciations, and it is a coincident that they are honoring you on the International Day of Happiness. So thank you all of you. You called me also, and I am going to Pondicherry just now, but I'll remain for 10-15 days up to 12th. I will remain here, and so because I am in hurry, so I thank you all of them. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your splendid